The latest version of the AxiomAir software, version 2.12.3, now has support for Spotify Multiroom, so you can play Spotify on all the AxiomAirs in your home. To do this, first you need to create a group. So go to the AxiomAir app or interface and click on Edit Groups. Now I want AW1, which is one of my AxiomAirs, to be the master, so I'm going to drag AW2 on top to create a group. So now you see that there's a group available. Go now to the Spotify app and pick something to start playing. At the bottom left of the screen, you'll see a small loudspeaker icon. Click on that and you can now see that there's an AW1-MR, which is our multi-room group. Click on that, it'll say connecting, and now it says AW1-MR, so all of your AxiomAirs will now be playing this music when I start playback. It's a very cool feature.